Research shows that a focus on performance without an equally high focus on learning leads to stagnation or worse, complete failure. To survive, an organization must learn faster than the changes in its environment. Firefighting and quick fixes are tempting to react to a crisis, but they typically address symptoms and not the real problem. The knowledge, experience, and expertise that have led to success in the past often do not provide the solutions for tomorrow. Today's complex challenges require a forward-looking and innovative mindset that is vital for survival. It's time for something new. Weil Action Learning is a team-based problem-solving process. In addition to solving the problem, the team learns about itself and its environment and becomes more cohesive and effective from one session to the next. Because these skills were learned while tackling real challenges, they are easily and quickly integrated into everyday activities. Organizations that embrace action learning gain benefits from faster, deeper, and more widespread learning. The speed of learning is what enables action learning teams to quickly develop as individuals and as a team. Depth of learning allows people to feel safe to ask questions and challenge assumptions and perspectives. The breadth of learning grows throughout the organization when participants apply the learning and actions from the sessions to their different work teams and departments. Learning and continuous improvement becomes second nature. A Weil certified action learning coach supports the different teams and moves an organization towards this learning culture without the culture shock and stress typically associated with change. Find out what action learning can do for you.